Hi, I'm Dean Andrews. I'm head of developer relations at InterSystems. My team is responsible for InterSystems developer community, which is 18,000 developers worldwide. We're responsible for InterSystems developer events like hackathons and developer meetups. And we're also in charge of the InterSystems Startup Program and Venture Fund. An Instruqt is useful for interactive tutorials where we are sharing specific use cases of our technology with our customers and partners and developers throughout the world. And we also use Instruqt to have that first moment of engagement with developers that are new to our technology as well. We've been using Instruqt almost 2 years now at this point, most of it using its on-demand features, and then now we've had a couple of instances where we've used it at live events as well. The main driver for InterSystems was we knew we needed some mechanism by which we could very quickly and easily get developers hands-on with our technology. We know InterSystems technology is very powerful if developers kind of see it firsthand and experience it. So we wanted to make that time to getting to that experience as short as possible and as easy as possible. So we were definitely looking to leverage interactive tutorials. We did have a time where we tried to build our own interactive tutorial mechanism, but over time we found it difficult to maintain, rather costly, and any new features needed to be added, we needed to do ourselves, and that drove us to kind of look for alternatives in the market. The things that stood out about Instruqt that were very attractive to us was its fundamental flexibility. With Instruqt, we can actually deploy in container environments. We can load specific data sets and configure specific scenarios that we want to guide our developers through. That was a really key thing. And then it also is, we're able to use our cloud services in tutorials as well. So that flexibility was really key. We're definitely going to continue to use Instruqt in our on-demand. It's kind of the front door landing page of our developer portal with the InterSystems Developer Hub. And we'll continue to use Instruqt there for showcasing the different aspects of our technology, from data interoperability to our generative AI technology and much more. And we're just going to keep expanding that catalog there. We're also going to, in parallel, use Instruqt at live events. It is a great tool for getting people hands-on in a conference or a hackathon environment to guide them through a particular scenario in kind of a course-like hands-on setting. So we're going to actually continue to use both of those elements of Instruqt. It's such a powerful way to show our customers and partners how easy InterSystems technology is to use, how powerful the technology is to use, and to just guide them through. The InterSystems developer platform is incredibly sophisticated and powerful, and it has many features to it. And so we like to show developers specific aspects with specific tutorials and scenarios so they get to experience the different parts of the technology. They may be familiar with one, but through tutorials, we can easily show them how they can also take advantage of other aspects of the platform. Another great part of the Instruqt platform is that it has a lot of metrics of the experience of people going through the tutorials, where they're perhaps dropping off out of a multi-stage tutorial, and also their user satisfaction scores. So when we first started using Instruqt, and still now, we tune the experience. If we're getting feedback of how we might improve, either with the scores or the other metrics, we can actually adjust the tutorial And we've had developers that have gone through our tutorials tell us that they've learned a lot, they had a great experience, and they were able to learn about other aspects of the platform that they're already using. We love the flexibility in how you present the tutorials. You can embed them into a web page. You can link to kind of a full screen experience. So we like that flexibility as well. One thing that I'm very interested in, but we're planning to use and have not used yet, is the ability to send tutorials to people, and we're planning to do that for some upcoming hackathons events where we send them a tutorial in advance of a hackathon. So if they want, developers can have some hands-on experience prior to a 48-hour hackathon over a weekend. InterSystems Global Summit is our annual conference for our customers and partners. It's always an amazing event with over 1,000 people. And in this particular Global Summit 2024, we wanted to showcase our new generative AI technology that we call Iris Vector Search. And one of the key ways that we wanted to do that at this conference was to have a workshop in which we guided developers all the way through, so they were building a generative AI application live right on our technology in a fairly short session. And so we leveraged Instruqt to do that, and it was a great success. It does two things. It shows people the specifics of our Iris Vector Search technology, but I believe the tutorial also just teaches developers some fundamental concepts about generative AI. So it's got many different positives. It's been a great experience for us as well. I'm glad that you could make it here and see how we use Instruqt live. It's been a great tool for us, and we're very happy we encountered it.